how to start dropshipping on Temu. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can dropship items or products from Temu to your store. It is very easy and very simple. Follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go to temu.com, then create an account within Temu, or if you don't want to create an account, you can go ahead and scroll and choose any product that you want. This is the first step. The second step, choose a platform to make your store or to select a funnel for your sales channels. This is, for example, here we have Shopify. I have also eBay and not to forget Equit. You can go ahead and put a sales channels within Equit. Connect, for example, Instagram shop, Facebook shop, Google Shopping, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, and Wix website, etc. Go ahead and connect whatever platform or sales channel that you want. And also for eBay, I'm going to let you see here an example how we can do that with each of these platforms. Go ahead to temu.com, select any product that you want. For example, let's say that we are going to select a product and then we are going to see it. Here we have the product, we have the product title, and we have the images. You can go ahead and download the images manually. Click on the image and for the right button of the mouse, click on Save Image As, and here it will be set to web picture file. Go ahead and download it like that. I'm going to download multiple pictures, for example, like that, maybe like this. These pictures are very interesting. I'm going to download from 2 to 3 pictures. Let's say that we're going to add these. The clearer the picture is, the most valuable it will be for the customers. And now we are going to add it, for example, for our Shopify store. Go ahead to your Shopify store, click on products, and then we are going to add it manually. Click on add a product, and then we are going to see the editor will open up. Now, go and add the title. As you can see, we have adhesive heavy duty wall hooks. I'm going to copy it, make it right there, or paste it, and for the beginning, I am going to attract or make some attracting words like best or the best, like that, adhesive heavy duty wall hook. Now I am going to go back to the product page and see if we have a description. As you can see, the description is not available and we have only the titles. So we are going to set a description within the generator or a text generator like this. Go ahead and copy this and click on generate a product description. I'm going to put the tone as, let's say, sophisticated, and click on generate. We'll wait for a couple few seconds and here we have the description set. Click on keep and then we are going to set the files. Go ahead and select these 3 images, let them upload slowly, and the category right there, you can go ahead and set it right there. The price, let's go ahead and make a comparison. Here we have £3.77, so we are going to put it for maybe $29.99. And the comparison, it is a very important thing to set. I'm going to put it as $39.99. And here we have it. Show unit price for this product. You can go ahead and show it. And for the inventory, you can go ahead and put multiple location or the actual location that you are in. Here we have the quantity. I'm going to put 9,999 on 19.99. And here the most important thing is to continue selling when out of stock. If you have a SKU code or barcode from Temu, go ahead and put it. If not, let it empty. And for the shipping, I'm going to put a random, let's say not random, weight. Go ahead and put this is a physical product. Here, if you have a variant, you can go ahead and set it. And in this case, I don't have a variant for this product, so go ahead and let it. For the color, here we have the category meta fields. You can set it right there, or you can go ahead and clear that. Here we have it. Simply when you finish everything, select the main image, click on save. But before that, we are going to see here the product type. Go and make it accessories, for example, or home. Let's go ahead and put home like that. And we are going to set the collection. You can go ahead and put it as a bestseller or any collection that you have created. Here we have the tags. You can add some tags. I'm going to put it as accessories. And now we have the theme template. It is set. Click on save. And now we are going to see the view of the product. Here we have it at our website. We have the description and we have the other images. It is set and the price is set. You can go ahead and import some reviews from Temu, since it has a lot of reviews, and this is it. That was for the Shopify store. If you want to add it to eBay, it is very easy also. Go ahead and open up eBay account, click on sell right there, and from that we are going to add some items. Go ahead simply and refresh that page, click on list an item, and from that you are going to put that item. I'm going simply to put right there the title. Let's go ahead and put again the title of that product, make it like that, click on the search, and we are going to continue without the match. The condition, obviously it is new. Here we have it. Here on the eBay we have a lot of details that you are going to add, and those details are crucial for the reputation or the good reputation of the eBay account. You can add a video also, and here we have the item categories, the brand, the type, the UPC material, and etc. This is optional. And also we have the condition, the description, and the pricing. You can go ahead and put it as a buy it now. Set a fixed amount, and you are going to be making it like that. The quantity, put it like this, and here we have it. If you want to add some more customization for the shipping, go ahead and modify this, and here we are going to see it. When you finish everything, click on list it, or you can save it for later, and when you finish you will see here the preview. As you can see, this is the eBay page or product page. It will show the name of your store, the seller info, and also the description and the title of that product. And for Equit, it is very easy. Go ahead and select the sales channels, like let's say Wix. I have made a connection between my website, which is Wix, and also my Equit account. So anything will goes from Wix to Equit and vice versa. You can see here that it is added, the online store is added, and you can go ahead simply and add the catalog. Here on the catalog we have the products. Go ahead and add a new product, and from there upload the same images, select them all, and add the title right there and the description. You can go ahead and generate it from ChatGPT or make an extension for that title. And from that we are going to set it as requires shipping or pickups. Put the weight of it. You have to make sure that you got some details within a Temu. And finally we have the attributes. You can add some attributes, options, shipping and pickups. Here we have the shipping methods, taxes, SEO, which is the search engine optimization friendly tags and also keywords, the related products. Go ahead and enable that, and finally the buy now button. Go ahead and click on save, and you will set the product and it will make it ready. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.